to go through and practice solving some two-step inequalities. We're going to solve them and then graph them. So our first one is negative 4a plus 6 greater than equal to negative 26. Okay, so we solve them like we did with our equations. So cover up our letter. We're the opposite of plus 6, which is minus 6. Bring down negative 4a, bring down our arrow. Negative 26 and negative 6 make negative 32. Okay, and then we're going to divide by negative 4. Okay, a negative and a negative are going to make a positive. And since our letter was negative, our arrow is going to flip directions. So it's now going to be a less than sign. So we're going to have closed circle at 8. And it's going to be going to the left. Okay, so our next one, we have 2 plus k over 5 is less than negative 6. So again, cover up our letter. Opposite of 2 is going to be minus 2. 2's cancel. We have k over 5. Negative 6 and negative 2 make negative 8. K over 5 is division, so we're going to do the opposite, which is to multiply. 5's cancel. We're left with k. Negative 8 times 5 is negative 40. This one, our arrow is not flipping because our letter was not negative. This is a negative 8, which we did times by negative, but our letter has to be negative, and that's not. So we have an open circle at negative 40, and we're going to go to the left. Okay, so our next one, we have negative 4n plus 5 equals 29, or less than or greater than 29. So again, cover up your letter. Opposite of plus 5 is going to be minus 5. 5's cancel. We have negative 4n. 29 minus 5 is 24. Negative 4n is multiplication, so the opposite is division. And 4's will cancel, then we're left with n. Since our letter was negative, our sign's going to flip direction. And then 24 divided by negative 4 is negative 6. So since there's not a line on the bottom, it's going to be an open circle. And we're going to the left. Okay, so our next one. So since our letter is on the right, we can actually rewrite it. So we have 4 minus 3b. We'll flip our arrow. 37. Okay, so now we've rewritten it. We'll cover up our 3b. Opposite of 4 is minus 4. Minus 4. 4 is canceled. We're bringing down a negative 3b. Bring down the sign in front. Our arrow, 37 minus 4 is 33. Negative 3b is division or multiplication. We're going to divide by negative 3. We have b. Okay, since again we're dividing by negative, our arrow will flip direction since our letter is negative. 33 divided by negative 3 is negative 11. So we're going to have an open circle at 11, and we're going to be going to the right. Okay, and then for our last one, we have 6 plus c over 3 is greater than or less than 5. Okay, so again, cover up our letter, bring the opposite of 6, which is minus 6. We left with c over 3. 5 minus 6 is negative 1. C over 3 is division, so the opposite is multiplication. Multiplied by 3, we're left with c. Our arrow is staying the same way because our letter is not negative. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. So c is less than negative 3. So we're going to have an open circle, and we're going to the left. Okay, so again, when your letter's negative, your arrow will flip direction.